Hey guys, Chuck House of Mopar coming at you on Thursday night with just a short video. I want to remind you guys about the St. Louis Mopar Blast. It is a guy, this guy Ron has been trying to keep going traction wise down at Gateway International Raceway, otherwise known as Worldwide Technology Park, the drag strip right out of St. Louis on the east side. There's going to be racing, there's going to be car shows, and there's going to be swap meet. I've gone most of the last 5 years, but we usually just forget about it until the night before and wonder who's going, who's not working and whatnot. So anyway, I'm going to be there on Saturday. It's May 18th. I think a good deal of our buddies are going to be there too. We're not doing the swap meet, but we're going to be there just hanging out, walking around. It's not a great big venue. Ron has got some kind of race car he races fast, 9 seconds, I believe. Don, you've seen Don. I did a thing with him last summer, I think. He's got kind of a Pro Mod 65 satellite Belvedere. That's, I don't remember how fast it goes in the nines, I suppose, as well. Anyway, yeah, if you're within a mile, 2 miles of the track, come on down, man. I got some stickers I'll hand you, give you a couple stickers for your toolbox. I did a video on this last year, and one of the local guys commented, he says, well, hell, I would have came down. Ron doesn't advertise. Ron's doing this on his own, out of his own pocket. So it's on Facebook, and it is, there's a website, St. Louis Mopar Blast. You can see it right there, look at it. But the Facebook page is the same name, and he'll post pictures on there. We can post pictures if you join the group. Anyway, that's that. I'm planning on being there. Cornet. Still sitting here. It's been about a week since Jay was here. This is a Monday. That was a Monday. The body's been sanded once. The hood's there. Deck lid hasn't been touched. So yeah, it's going to be a few days. It's going to be another week before I can get back at this work. What are you going to do, right? All right, boys. Hope to see you there if you're there. And hopefully this is not the last year Ron wants to do this. We get some attendance down there. He'll keep doing her. All right. See you next time. Thanks.